Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is an update video about Pultruded carbon. What is it? What sizes you need to build your SoarKraft model? And where to get it? Introducing a new US supplier with kitted bundles at a discount. While the SoarKraft Airframes are mostly made of 3D printed parts, Pultruded carbon pieces are needed to hold it all together to get the best performance. Made from spools of carbon fiber tow, pulled through a resin bath, and heat cured to a stable shape, then cut to length for shipping and handling. Pultruded carbon is strongest in tension, up to 10 times stronger than steel, making it ideal to hold the 3D printed layers stacked together, like in this power pod fuselage, where the carbon runs perpendicular to the layers, from the motor mount to the tail. If glued correctly, keeps the whole stack together. For more about Pultruded carbon, see my previous videos. I will add links in the description below. So what carbon do you need to complete your SoarKraft model? Well, each file set from SoarKraft has instructions with a parts list. But now, instead of having to read and figure it all out, Canuck Engineering has kit bundles with all the right pieces. The Roughgen, Pica, and Igneous use these carbon pieces even with the power pod. Now, on the Canuck website, you can just select the bundle that matches the file set you purchased. And the bundle has all the necessary carbon kitted and ready to ship. And at a discount price. Shipping is usually an additional $15 to $20 anywhere in the continuous United States, because of the long lengths. But multiple bundles and pieces don't change this much, so it pays to stock up. Separate wing bundles are available. You may also want to get a couple extra pieces of strip and rod for additional fuselage builds. Andrew at Canuck Engineering has a large selection of other carbon available, including this 7mm rod, which is unavailable in the US until now, which is a nice way to beef up an MH32 wing for more power. Future video coming. The Juicy and Zesty DS bundles include the solid 10x10 carbon spar. Very stiff and a bit pricey, but still cheaper than most other suppliers. But lighter hollow spars are available. Andrew will try to keep a full supply of SoarKraft carbon bundles and pieces. Other things are available from Canuck Engineering, like receiver batteries, servo parts, and he has his own line of slope and DS models. The plan is to add more bundle options that would include servos, motors, ESCs, and quality folding prop systems to go with the carbon bundles, so check back for updates. Andrew and Canuck Engineering is separate and unaffiliated with SoarKraft. My benefit from him will be a stable and reliable carbon source, to hopefully make it easier to order everything you need for your SoarKraft model. Ideas and suggestions are welcome in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos about printing, different materials and testing, and flying these SoarKraft designs to the limits of what's possible. This channel is funded by viewers like you purchasing my files on my website for printing planes just like this, and helps me to continue to refine, develop, and share new ways of making them better, faster, and cheaper to hopefully benefit everyone. Or at least to have a good time. Nice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.